Hello everyone. Before I hand over to Ian Bruce, who is a friend of Lawrence Sheriff from Rugby Youth for Christ, and he will be taking today's assembly, which is an Easter themed assembly. This week, on the 22nd of March, was 1 year since the UK lockdown was announced. And I think it's only right that during our Friday assembly slot, we take some time to reflect on the past 12 months and remember the 126,399 people that have sadly lost their lives throughout the pandemic. Throughout the sadness and loss, we have also seen the immense power of human spirit, with rainbows being displayed on windows and people coming together to volunteer and help in so many different ways. The nation also came together to stand on doorsteps and clap, showing our support for the NHS and for everyone that has helped to support throughout the pandemic. We've also seen immense sacrifice from us all. Freedoms to go where we choose disappearing, being away from loved ones and families and friends, shops and businesses closing, holidays cancelled, washing hands frequently, wearing face masks, us all doing our bit, no matter how small, to control the virus and save lives. And through all of these struggles, we've learnt so many lessons, not just from Google Classroom, but from the likes of Captain Tom, the 99-year-old man who taught us all about what one determined person could achieve by doing his little bit. He started off doing 100 lengths of his garden, aiming to raise £1,000, but raising in total £32 million for the NHS. 1 year on, and we have hope. Is the end in sight? 28.3 million people in the UK to date have been vaccinated, and that's an incredible feat. And we at Lawrence Sheriff continue to do our bit. Now let us reflect on the past 12 months by standing and observing a minute's silence within our form groups and remember all of those who have lost their lives over the past year.